Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in crypto news in a way that's easy to follow. Today we've got some exciting updates on Cardano ADA that you don't want to miss. Charles Hoskinson just revealed the next major update for Cardano, and it's got everybody talking about the potential for a price explosion that could be closer than ever. Social sentiment is heating up and the Cardano community is buzzing with optimism. Could this be the spark that sends ADA to new highs? In this video, we're diving into the update and what it means for Cardano, why it's such a big deal, and why the community thinks that this could be the next big move to the upside. If you're holding ADA or just keeping your eye on the market, you'll need to stick about to hear what we've got to cover. Let's go. So this article here is talking about Cardano's next move. The latest analysis shows that Cardano ADA may be gearing up for a potential October rally. Despite price consolidation, technical indicators suggest that a big move might still be ahead as ADA positions itself for gains in the coming weeks. Do you agree? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. But look, for me, like the sentiment around this is, really cautious but still bullish, with many traders watching for a breakout in ADA's price action. My opinion is that this could just be the start of a broader altcoin surge. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Really interested to get your views and opinions. According to this article, it's not plain sailing. This recent article highlights the challenges Cardano ADA faces with its improvement proposals as the price struggles to regain any kind of traction. Despite technical advancements within its ecosystem, the broader market sentiment remains cautious. However, many believe the long-term growth is strong for ADA and potentially a price movement is in sight, especially critical upgrades bringing more utility to the network as being something that is a primary focus for the Cardano community. And again, it's just really, really interesting, in my opinion, anyway. Look, the sentiment, again, as I've mentioned a few times already, is cautiously optimistic. But there is a slight hint of bearishness there for the short term. But long term, investors do see this as an accumulation phase. Now, do you agree? Do you think the upgrades will finally give Cardano ADA the momentum it needs? If I can get my words out, the momentum that it needs, or do you think that it's had its day and its days are numbered? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Next up, we got this article here. Cardano could be on the verge of a major breakout. Charles Hoskinson has revealed big upgrade for the network, and it's closer than ever. This update is expected to boost Cardano's scalability and performance, making it a stronger competitor to the likes of Ethereum, and potentially even Solana, right? The sentiment, again, community is buzzing, leaning bullish, especially with technical upgrades that do, make the, ADA ecosystem a little bit stronger. And, again, just brings improvements and enhancements. Again, is something that is really positive. So again, really interesting. Do you agree that the upgrades will push ADA to a new all-time high? Really interested to get your views and opinions. But like these articles, there is a mixture of optimism, and in my opinion, this is something that is a little bit different to what we've been seeing. I've been talking about poor journalism. I've been talking about the fact that I was expecting a lot better from the journalists. There's a lot of hate towards Cardano, but look, I think the layer one space at the moment is really interesting, and competition is heating up with the likes of Aptos, Sui, Avalanche, and many others, right? I think that this is really interesting times, and look, I think that we could start to see some mergers over the coming weeks and months when it comes to other blockchains out of the AI sector, right? Let me know your thoughts and opinions on all of that stuff, because I think that there is a big shift coming in the blockchain space. Next up, and we've got some more big Cardano news for anybody that's part of that Cardano community. Bybit and Cardano are extending their legal and geographic reach, making ADA even more accessible. In just 15 minutes, the Plus wallet can now streamline token listings, enhance liquidity for projects like Cardano. This integration is a major step forward for global adoption for Cardano ADA, and again is really, really interesting. But look, what does interest me a little bit more is the sentiment, right? This is neutral to bullish, right? It's not really done very much for sentiment wise. This move is great for expanding ADA's accessibility, but doesn't promise imminent price gains, and that is why it's a little bit of a muted kind of announcement really when it comes to sentiment. Do you agree? Will this increase availability drive ADA's price higher? I think that it's going to have a broader implication, and I do think that it's really, really positive. But again, you need to start seeing the money flow in. And look, I've talked about this several times. ADA, one of the most accumulated altcoins over the past 12 months, is right up there. And the bearishness and the FUD that surrounds Cardano is there to kind of put people off and I guess make people uncertain about whether they should be investing. And look, I think we can see this market changing. I think the dynamics changing, and there's an awful lot going on. So make sure that you're keeping yourself up to date on everything that's happening in this crypto space. And finally, in a bold move, crypto.com has sued the SEC, aiming to protect the future of crypto in the US. This lawsuit is a pivotal moment as it could shape how crypto companies operate in America going forward. The SEC regulatory or regulator, I should say, push has been controversial, and crypto.com's decision to challenge them directly is sending shockwaves through the industry. For me, this is really, really bullish, right? And I think we've seen Coinbase do something, similar, take a stand. We've seen Ripple take a stand. We're now seeing crypto.com, take a stand and, be quite aggressive in their reaction to receiving a Wells notice. So for me, again, has a broader implication on altcoins, particularly Cardano and various others that have recently, been called out, and then, it's been retracted from other lawsuits, particularly in regards to Coinbase. This has a really big impact, and it should be something that if you're holding Cardano or any other altcoins, you should be monitoring what is going on with these lawsuits. Do you think crypto.com's lawsuit will bring clarity, or will there be, more issues that arise from this in the crypto space? Drop your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. But look, that's all I've got for you today. I hope this video was useful. Hopefully you took something from it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And I will catch you in tomorrow's video.